Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Now let us continue with the discussion of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, which is the British pound sterling against US dollar, and euro versus US dollar, from where we left off on Thursday night and gave you the possible scenarios for Friday, and they worked out amazingly. And now we will give you the possible scenarios for Monday market, which is 15th, which will be 15th of July. Okay, so let us go straight to the charts and let us continue the discussion. Thank you. Okay, so when we were discussing the market on Thursday night of gold, market was trading approximately over here, and you guys can clearly see that we marked the area of resistance as 2414, and market gave us several opportunities at this level and respected our area of marked major resistance. Okay, so let me take these trades in front of you guys so you guys can easily understand that how much profit or loss would you guys have made. Okay, so this will be your possible trade number 4 when market close with the red candle at 2414 level. This will be your stop loss, and your possible take profit will be approximately over here. This trade would have given a 5.1% profit. Okay, then once again market gave us an opportunity to sell over here, so we could take another possible selling position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be could be possibly over here. Okay, but for that we have to go to the 15-minute chart, and you can clearly see that we hit a level of 1% before market went against our direction. Okay, so let us go back to the 1 hour chart and continue the discussion. After this trade, market gave us another opportunity to sell from this candle and from this candle. Okay, so if we take a selling position from here, our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our possible take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 4.7% profit. Then afterwards, this candle also tested our area of major resistance. So from here as well, we could take a short position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our possible take profit could be approximately over here, giving us a 2.6% profit. And then again market continued to go up and tested our area of resistance, and from here you can clearly see that market closed with the red candle at a 2414 level. So this will be our trade number 1. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our possible take profit will be at a 0.9% level, and this trade could be very well still be running. And after this candle closing, market also tested our area of major resistance. So from here as well we could take a short position. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our possible take profit would still be running in a 0.9% level. Okay, so overall just as we had discussed, the gold behaved exactly we expected it to behave, and market gave us very good opportunities, and market respected our given area of resistance on Friday. So I hope that you guys would have also made some good profit while trading this gold pair versus US dollar, and you guys would have not missed out on these easy profits. Okay, so if you guys do not understand anything, you guys can ask us in the comment section, and we take trades right in front of you guys each and every day, or we discuss market right in front of you guys. So there is no hindrance for you guys to take a trade. Okay, so now market is closed, and the same area of resistance and support are valid for Monday as well. So just be vigilant and keep your eyes out, and don't fall in blindly. Okay, so now let us go to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair from where we left off. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that in this GBP USD pair, when we were discussing, the market was trading over here, and you guys can clearly see that market entered our area of major support and broke through it, and then market stayed within that zone. Okay, So you guys can clearly see that only one or rather two opportunities were given to us to take a trade in this GBP USD pair. So let me take these trades. So this will be our trade number one. Over here, our stop loss will be just below the previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.9% profit. And then afterwards, once again, market tested our area of resistance and closed with a green candle over here. So we could take an entry over here, and this trade would be very well still be running, and we will be waiting for this candle to execute. Okay, so let us go to the 4-hour chart and see that what is going on. Market has closed above convincingly these two candles. So now let us mark the new areas of support and resistance for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades. And you guys can see that this is the area from where the market is going to react. Okay, so this is the possible area. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is the next best area of reaction, rather like something like this. Okay, so the market is gonna go upwards. Okay, so the next best possible area for support you guys can see is approximately over here. So let me see if we have any previous level present. Yeah, a slight level is present over here, and then over here we have some area of supports. This will also move up, and this area will come into play as an area of major support. Okay, yes, exactly. So now let me write down these new areas of support and resistance for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair. Okay, and let me also move in this move these areas of short term support and resistance, so you guys can easily take trades. And for that, let me just let me move these area of these scenarios, so you guys can easily take trades. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so as currently market is trading approximately over here, so the areas have been moved for you guys. So now let me write down the new areas of support and resistance over here for the 15th of July. So the area is 1.299, 1.299, and the upper area of resistance is 1.302, 1.302, and the area of support is 1.284, 1.284, and the lower area of major support is 1.281, 281. Okay, so that's all for GBP USD. Let us move further down to Euro USD pair from where we left off. Okay, so you guys can see that this Euro USD market just continued to go up and up, and it would have given us some very good scenarios to trade. So let me zoom in a little bit for you guys, and let me take these possible entries. Okay, so when we were discussing the market on Thursday night, market was trading over here, so this could be your possible first trade. So let me take this entry for you guys. So this could be your first possible entry. Your stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and your take profit could be approximately over here. So this trade would have given you guys a 5.7% profit, and then again market closed, tested our area of major resistance and closed above over here. So from here we could take another possible entry like this. Our stop loss could be just below the previous candle, and this take profit would be approximately less than 0.5 0.3%, which means we would have hit a stop loss in this trade. Okay, and then again after this candle we could have again taken a positive entry, but again we would have hit a stop loss in this candle. But over here another opportunity was given, and from here we could take another buying position. Okay, so let me take this buying positions. So after hitting two stop losses, this was the possible entry. Your stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and your possible take profit will be approximately over here, giving you guys a 2.7% profit. This would have covered for previous both stop losses. Okay, and then afterwards once again market tested our major area of resistance and closed with the green candle over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit could be approximately over here. So this take profit will be approximately 0.9%. Okay, and then again market tested our area of major support and closed with a big green candle over here. So from here we could again take a buying entry like this. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 2.5% profit at least. Okay, so overall very good trades were executed in this euro USD pair, just as we had expected that market will give us some bullish signals, and market traded just the way we expected it to behave. So now we will have to mark the new areas of support and resistance, and because market has the market is now reacting from a new area of resistance from here. Okay, so let us go to the 4-hour chart. As you guys can see that market has closed with several green candles over here. So and now market is going to react from this area. Okay, and has this area been respected before or not, we will have to find out for ourselves. Okay, so this is the area of major resistance now, and the area of minor support will now be approximately over here. Okay, as this area has been respected over here and over here as well and over here as well. So this will be the minor area of support, and the major area of support will be approximately this area, as this area has been most recently tested over here and over here as well. Okay, so let me just simply move forward these scenarios, and let us go back to the 1-hour chart and write them down for you guys. Okay, so let me first move the scenarios, and then I will write down. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, you guys can also ask us in the comment section. We always try to help you guys out as much as possible. So right now we are looking for bullish scenarios in this euro USD pair until and unless there is some fundamental news that changes the behavior of the market. Okay, so now let me write down the new area of resistance. So new area of resistance is 1.090, 1.09009, and the upper area of resistance is 1.0923. The minor area of support is 1.088, and the major area of support is 1.0844. The major area of support is 1.0822. Okay, so I have written down all the major areas of support and resistance for you guys. So just remember that we are looking for bullish scenarios. So just be vigilant out there, and keep an eye out for possible bullish scenarios. Okay, so that's all for Euro USD for today. I hope you guys will be making good profits on Monday, and I will see you guys on Monday night with fresh scenarios. Thank you.